everyone, welcome to KJ Zone, the Zone of Spark. Today, let us begin our weekend with a wonderful topic. So, are you ready to attend the class? Okay, let's begin. Have you heard about the term approach? What it is? Exactly. Approach is a way of dealing with something. Now, in this class, we are learning about approaches to curriculum organization. Curriculum approach is a way of dealing, creating, designing, thinking about a curriculum. Here, we can see 7 approaches to curriculum organization. Let us learn these approaches one by one. Now, let us begin with the first approach, that is topical approach. We know every subject involves a number of topics. In this approach, selected topics of study suitable for the age, ability, and interest of children are included in the curriculum. Each topic should be thoroughly dealt with and mastered before passing on to another topic. In this approach, the curriculum maker takes a particular topic as a central theme at various instructions and concepts. Here, a specific topic is started in a particular class and finished in the same class. A topic is a comprehensive collection of materials of a specific topic of the particular subject. Next, we can see the second approach, that is the unit approach. The unit or theme part refers to the idea of studying a topic as a whole instead of several subjects. A unit approach takes a topic and lives with it for a period of time. When a topic may be so complex and might include a large number of items of varied difficulty, it is advisable not to cover all the very first instance. For this, the topic may be divided into a number of units. Taking fundamental units of the topic first and then gradually taking other units one by one in due course will make learning more psychological and hence sound. This is the unit approach in curriculum. Now the third one is concentric approach. It is also known as sequential approach. In concentric approach, the knowledge is widened slowly and steadily like concentric circles. Here, a subject matter is taken and spread over number of years. In introducing years, elementary knowledge is given. Then in next year, a little higher level knowledge is added, and this is done in all subsequent years. Thus, a study program is maintained to impart knowledge to students. Now, the last session of this video is spiral approach. Here, curriculum which ascends enlarging as it climbs. The upward and outward curriculum organization acknowledges the gradual nature of development of knowledge and also the development of learner. Here, the gradation of linkage 2 is taken care of and the continuity of the topic is never broken. My dears, that's all for today's class. Thanks for watching.